Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is September the 26th, 2022. We're going to talk about Bitcoin today. I know a whole lot of people is talking about Bitcoin, giving you all some price predictions as to where the market's going to go long term. Some people are saying it's going to go massively lower. We're going to hit a massive correction within Bitcoin. I wanted to show you from my chart what I think the price is going to do. So make sure you guys hit that like button. Stay tuned with what I'm doing here on this particular channel because I am dropping predictive content into the market for Bitcoin so that we can see how the market is faring. Okay, you guys can see that I did a price prediction in Bitcoin on September the 16th. Here it is, the 26th, so 10 days later. And you guys can see when I did my video on the 16th of September that the market came all the way down here to $18,400. Now, I originally had this price prediction since September the 12th, and the market completely fell off. And I said I wasn't going to get rid of this price prediction because I want us to see buyers come in and hold the support area of around $18,400. Now, that has been the case. We have seen on numerous trading days that the market has held support at $18,400. So it tells me that the idea of my price prediction is still valid. I just don't like the fact that it's trading this low. We needed to see the market lift from the support area, and it's not happening yet. So maybe there may be a massive correction to occur into the market in Bitcoin. Maybe, maybe not. Let's go ahead and see this though, because I may want to get rid of this price prediction right here and put on a new one, even though I may still look for price to go up. So let me show you all how the weekly chart ended in Bitcoin. Okay, so here it is. Now we can see a whole lot of information just by paying attention to price bars and volume. That is it. We don't need anything else regarding how the market is trading. Now I want you all to see this, okay, because last week means a lot, and I want everyone to understand what is going on into the market for Bitcoin. Okay, so check this out. Last week, okay, look at how small that price bar is. Take a look at it. It's real small. It's tighter than it was the previous week, right? Okay, let me cut this out. Let me move this out the way. And now you guys can see right here. Look how small that spread is comparative to the previous 2 weeks. Very wide spread here and another wide spread bar there. But look at the volume. The volume was higher last week than it was the prior 2 weeks. What happened? What does it mean? It means that buyers came into the market in Bitcoin. Everyone sees that. Everyone understands that support in Bitcoin is trying to hold around $18,400. The problem, the issue is, will it happen? That is why this week is going to be important for the market in Bitcoin to go higher. It's going to be real important for us to see that. Here's Bitcoin on the 2 weeks. Okay. Now you can only see buyers coming into the market on the weekly chart. We don't see it here on the 2 weeks. The volume is heavier here on the 2 weekly bar, but I don't like how the price in Bitcoin the prior 2 weeks closed right down towards the low of the 2 weeks before that. That's not good. Okay, look at Bitcoin on the monthly chart, and you can see it right here on the monthly chart as well that Bitcoin is still giving us some weakness. Okay, now we got 4 days and 14 hours left, so like I said, this week is going to be important for Bitcoin to really confirm to us if the buyers are going to hold 18,400, because if so, then we can play the market move to the upside. But when I look at these different time frames, the 2 weeks and now the monthly chart, I could definitely still see weakness here in Bitcoin, because look, we're getting rejected on this downtrend line. That is something that we don't want to see. We got rejected the prior month of August, and we're getting rejected again during the month of September. So we're still intact with this downtrend line. Nothing has changed in regards to that. Okay. Now, where would be the next area for us to see Bitcoin correct or go down? Let's just say that. Where would it be? Let me show you all the 3 months chart. Okay. So we got 4 days and 14 hours left on this current 3 monthly price bar, and I'm not surprised, right? I can't say that I'm not surprised to see the market in Bitcoin closing currently on the low end of the bar. Now, I'm going to play the weakness into the market in Bitcoin, but I want to reemphasize this week is going to be important. So I may have to come back in and readjust this price prediction, especially if I see the market buyers come in and begin to lift the price higher in Bitcoin. Okay, but from all of these other time frames, I'm definitely here seeing the market weakness coming in Bitcoin. Okay, so let me go ahead and cut this out. If we were to get out now, we will be down 14%, which happens, but we always get back into position to make sure we get it back and more. So let me go ahead and do this. Okay, so the next area that we can see the market of Bitcoin run down towards is going to be 16,000. Okay, that's going to be the next area. So I'm going to look for $16,000. You know what? I'm going to do 17,500 first. Okay, so we got 17,500 first, 16,000 second, and then 14,000 third. Okay, so let me put this on the chart. Okay, so I said 17,000 first, 17,500. That's around 8.5% movement to the downside there. And then 16,000 second. That's around 16%. I might just hold it around 16,000 and not necessarily look for the market to come down to 14,000 yet. But that's a 26% movement to the downside. So I'm not going to do that one yet. But it's definitely something that we can see over the next 3 months for Bitcoin. Okay. And I'm going to hold resistance around 22,000. So let me bring this all the way over to the month of October. We're going to keep in line with the market direction so far going down. So let me extend this downtrend in play for the market in Bitcoin. Okay, so what this means is that, let me get rid of this. So what this means is that we could possibly see the market in Bitcoin lift, right? Get rejected around $19,000, $20,000, might even run up to 20,800 and begin to come all the way back down. So let's not get it twisted. We may actually see the market of Bitcoin do this, come up to 22,000, get rejected, and continue to ride down this downtrend line too, though. So it could go either way. But given what we have seen in the long term, we're going to see which of these lines the market is going to hold. I'm trending towards the market going down, playing this downtrend line rather than seeing it hold this support area right there. So that is my newest idea as to what I suspect the market in Bitcoin is going to do. Still looking forward to go down, not necessarily like a correction, because I don't want to say correction, because many people, when you think of correction, then it lets you think that the prior move wasn't real, that it was fake, and it needed to correct to where it needed to go. And that's not the case when you come in and look at price charts. Price is meant to do what it has already completed. If it's meant to go down, then that's what it's supposed to do. If it was going to go up, then that's what it would have done if the market wanted it to go up. Okay, so that is it. Give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain your profitability, and as always, trade different.